What is up, guys? Today I'm showing how you can get a Pokemon Go spoof menu with like a billion features. I mean, not billion, more like joystick, auto walking, nearby radar, and like bunch of more. But the most important one is the anti-ban. As you can see here, it's always enabled, so works on my iPhone 6 Plus, pretty much all device, and it will work for any other device that you have, such as Android, other iPhones. I mean, I don't know who else uses an iPhone 6 Plus except me because I'm using it for gaming. But without me talking much, let me go ahead and actually show you how you can actually get this mod. So let me go ahead and show you how it looks like. It's pretty simple, Pokemon Go. So what you do is basically you gotta do some settings before you install the app. So first things first, you gotta open up any the settings that you have on your phone. Then go to general, background app refresh, again background app refresh, and make sure to put it on Wi-Fi and set your data. This is for iPhones. For Androids, you gotta go into settings, battery, and then turn off low battery mode or power saving mode off. I'm pretty sure it's called something like that. So the low power mode on battery on Androids, once it's turned off, what you can do is basically open up any browser you have. I'm using here Safari. Then go to the website called Pokemonify.com. It's an official website, but my phone kind of like froze right now, so I'm trying to type it. Yep, okay, let me go ahead and go back Pokemonify.com, and as you can see here, it is the official website, Pokemonify.com. Size 107 megabytes, obviously, and then you basically select what you have. If you have an Android, boom, you press the orange button. If you have a iPhone, boom, you press the black button, and you follow the steps that comes after that. Peace.